Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel that is Research AI Tools. Today's video is related to a very important tool related to AI, which is AI Transcriber, and you can access it through the Node GPT platform. If you like the content related to the recent AI techniques that are developing on daily basis and how you can get accustomed with them, please subscribe to my channel that is Research AI Tools. So basically, AI Transcriber is a lecturer summarizer that can summarize the lecture related to YouTube or your university lecture within a couple of minutes. We all know that YouTube is a rich source of learning because it provides free instant access to diverse visual and on-demand content that caters to various learning paces and styles. So if I want to learn something about any topic and I'm complete novice in that, then I would like to go to a YouTube channel or something, and I want to listen to a particular teacher who can help me understand that topic. Or, for example, if I'm currently learning in an online mode in my university or an institution, and my teacher has uploaded the lecture in the evening on Google Classroom, and I want to get accustomed with the topic, but I don't want to listen to the full 50-minute video, then AI Transcriber is here to help me. AI transcribers are software tools that use artificial intelligence to automatically convert spoken audio or video into a written text. So basically, what it will do is it will prepare a very short summary of the full 40 or 50 minutes lecture and give you short notes to understand regarding what the topic was and what are the particulars related to that topic. So it could be very useful for the students and researchers because it eliminates the manual labor by transcribing 1 hour of audio into 4 to 7 minutes, a short, readable lecture. And it will allow you to rapidly process the lecture as well and you can upload large volume of interviews, lectures uploaded by your teacher, and you can read it within a couple of minutes and thereby enabling you to meet a very strict deadlines. So let's get straight to the AI transcriber. So AI Transcriber is available on the Node GPT, which you can see in front of your screen. So this is the Node GPT module, and you can access it through the nodegpt.io. So let's get straight to it. So here you can see that there are a couple of more options available, and I would be covering the tool of AI Summarizer in my next video. So please stay tuned. So today I would be explaining the AI Transcriber tool. So let's click on the AI transcriber tool, and here you can see there are other options available as well. So we would be talking about the YouTube to text module. So let's click on that. So once I click the YouTube to text module, here we have space available, which is asking me to enter the URL of any YouTube video which I'm interested in. So here I have opened a YouTube video just for the sake of giving you an example. So this YouTube video is related to particle filters, and as some of researchers might know that particle filters is one of the very difficult concepts in object tracking, and we normally use it in day-to-day basis for the purpose of object tracking. But I don't want to listen the full 15 minutes lecture. Instead, I want any tool to prepare a summary for me so that I can read the summary in a very short span of time and meet the deadlines given to me by my teacher or by my supervisor. So let's copy the URL, and once I copy that, I will be pasting this URL, and let's click on the generate transcript. So within a couple of minutes, the transcript has been generated. And as you can see that it has also given me a summary related to the timestamps. So once I scroll down, I can very easily see that it is a timestamp correlated summary, and it is telling me that what the video said at, for example, the 4:49 minutes mark or 5 minutes 21 seconds mark, and I can very quickly go through all of this summary in the matter of couple of minutes. So if you can upload a video that is, for example, a half an hour span or it spans a full hour, then obviously it really facilitates you to read a couple of lines instead of going through a 60-minute video. So once the summary is generated, then there are a couple of options available as well. Then there is a mind map, there is AI chat, and there is more. So let's see what the mind maps gives me. So mind map is a diagram, is a technical diagram that can be generated by the AI tool, and it is a downloadable diagram, and the diagram has been generated from the same video from where we have just received a summary. So you can edit this diagram, and you can also download this diagram, and even you can copy paste this diagram into any document of your choice. So if you want to transcribe any video into a diagram which can be useful for you, then you can also generate the mind map from it. And let's click on the AI chat. So AI chat is giving me some descriptive options to, further summarize this video, or it allows me to generate 5 related MCQs. It is giving me a couple of options to extract important data or statistics, and it can also extract the outline. So let's check one of them, and I'll just give it a couple of moments. And as you can see, it has generated a very impressive outline, and it has also given me a couple of headings. So still it is generating the data, and as you can see that it has also given you some headings to work with, and some couple of follow-up questions as well, which is, as you can see that it has also given a summary based on adaptive Monte Carlo localization, which is one of the very important topics related to particle filters. So again, I can clearly see that it is giving me a very impressive output just from a 15 minutes video. So if you want to explore this topic more, please go over to nodegpt.io and just upload a video of your choice into the URL, and let's see that what kind of an output it is giving you. And once you do that, you can clearly see that it is one of the very useful tools that I have come across, and it has helped me a lot in day-to-day tasks or day-to-day lectures. So I hope you have liked today's video. If you like today's video, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.